Hello class, it's Miss Katrina. To continue in our lesson about counting, I have provided you all with a link that will give you an opportunity to practice counting 1 to 5. The link is a video about counting fruit. In the video, it will ask you to count up the fruit that you see on the screen. Once you have counted up the fruit that you see, you will then answer the question, which will ask, how much fruit is there? The question will give you 2 options, and you will have to pick the best option. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or ask me in class on Monday. Thank you for watching this video, and happy counting!